Hi, my name is Metincan Ataş. I am a second year MMI master's student.
Hello, my name is Arman Hanachi. I'm a second year MMI master's student, just like my friend.
Pac-Man is a classic arcade game that has captivated players since the 1980s. Our chosen base version from a GitHub repository replicates the original game's style and gameplay. However, the original game, with its unchanging maze and predictable ghost movements, might seem too straightforward for today's games. In the classic version, the ghosts follow preset paths, lacking the ability to adapt new strategies. Moreover, the static maze layout means each game feels the same, which can dampen the excitement of replay. While its simplicity has a certain charm, our enhancements are designed to inject a modern, dynamic twist, making the game more appealing.
Our updated Pac-Man game introduces dynamic mazes for varied challenges, intelligent A-star pathfinding for ghosts, and strategic ghost spawning. This elevates the gameplay by requiring more tactical thinking from players and enhancing the game's excitement and replayability.
In our revamped Pac-Man game, we have introduced a new dynamic maze generator. This means every game starts with a completely new maze layout, moving away from the original version's fixed design. The algorithm works as the maze starts as a grid of walls, then through a random process, paths are carved out, connecting the dots to create an intricate maze that's always solvable. This careful design ensures that the maze aligns seamlessly with the rest of the game's mechanics, like how the ghosts move and how the Pac-Man punches his way around.
Our updated version of Pac-Man introduces ghosts in a more dynamic way compared to the original, where ghosts would always start from the same spot. Now they enter the game at different times, which adds a layer of unpredictability and ramps up the challenges as you play. The ghosts are placed at strategic points that are not too close to Pac-Man, ensuring the game remains balanced yet increasingly difficult. With a timer regulating the appearance of new ghosts, players must continuously adjust their tactics to succeed in the ever-changing maze.
In our refined version of Pac-Man, the ghosts have been upgraded thanks to the A-star pathfinding algorithm. This upgrade means ghosts no longer just follow a pixel, they now chase after Pac-Man by finding the best path through the maze that changes with each game. Ghosts only start the chase if Pac-Man is within a certain Manhattan distance. This threshold ensures that players have some breathing room and aren't constantly under pressure.
The analytics module we added to Pac-Man brought out some interesting numbers that put things into perspective. We have derived data from the base version and enhanced version to demonstrate the impact in the gameplay. The compared data include average movements made by Pac-Man, average movements made by all ghosts during the game, average number of ghosts generated, and average bricks collected. Comparing the average Pac-Man movements, in the enhanced version, the Pac-Man has made substantially less movements, indicating that the game in the enhanced version has taken less time to end. Following this result, ghosts have made significantly less movements, as they have utilized the A-star algorithm, sensing Pac-Man within their 10-step distance and chasing Pac-Man down instead of randomly roaming the maze. This results in a higher difficulty gameplay as the player needs to perform tactical movements. Therefore, the increased difficulty results in fewer ghosts generated during the game and much less bricks collected on average.
To summarize our enhancements to the Pac-Man game, we have started by changing the maze design, shifting from the original static layout to dynamic mazes. By implementing the A-star pathfinding algorithm, ghosts now navigate the maze with purpose, actively seeking out Pac-Man. Another change is in the ghost spawner mechanics. Rather than appearing all at once at the beginning, ghosts now enter the game at various intervals with distance checks. And finally, our analytics show the impact of all of these changes. Overall, our modifications bring a contemporary twist to the classical Pac-Man experience. We have created a game that not only tests players' reflexes and strategic skills, but also maintains the original nostalgic appeal. So we can see here that every time we start a new game, a complete new maze is generated. This is thanks to our newly implemented maze generation algorithm. So we can see here that ghosts are spawned randomly near the Pac-Man by maintaining the Manhattan distance we have given. And every time a new ghost is spawned, they are in different colors, chosen randomly as well. So we can see here that pink ghost is spawned near the Pac-Man, and thanks to the A-star algorithm, it started following the Pac-Man immediately.